Ever wanted to learn piano but felt totally overwhelmed by sheet music, word theory, or boring drills? This is exactly what you need. Let me put you on something called Pianoforall. It's one of the most popular online piano courses for a reason. It teaches you piano like you'd actually want to learn it. Instead of random songs or complicated sheet music, Piano for All starts you off playing real songs using a rhythm style approach. That means you sound like a pro from day one. You'll learn chords, progressions, ballads, blues, even jazz and classical, and it's all laid out step by step in interactive ebooks with built in video and audio. You can learn on any device phone, tablet, laptop, no need to be online. And if you're a visual learner, you'll love this. The keyboard diagrams and note highlights make everything click instantly. Piano for All doesn't just show you what to play, it shows you why it works. So you can eventually improvise, play by ear, or write your own music confidently. I honestly don't know why piano isn't taught like this everywhere. If you're serious about learning piano or just want to play your favorite song, check out the link in the description and you'll be amazed how fast you can start sounding great.